Hello, Airmen Guardians and families. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to our series on resolving disputes in special education. If not, welcome back, and I hope you have had an opportunity to review at least a video on resolving disputes through Individualized Education Program meetings, or IEP meetings. Today, we will discuss due process complaints or formal hearings as an option for dispute resolution in special education matters. In each video in this series, I have stressed that although there are several options for resolving disputes, we should always begin with an IEP meeting. Always keep in mind the fact that your goal in dispute resolution is twofold. One, to achieve a free and appropriate public education for your student, and two, to preserve a good working relationship with your child's school. If an IEP meeting does not work, we have other options such as state complaints, mediation, and now let's talk about due process hearings. The first question you might ask is whether you can file a due process complaint. Well, any parent of a student with a disability or any adult student can file a due process complaint. The complaint must be done in writing no more than 2 years after the alleged violation. Once you have filed your complaint, a hearing officer issues a written decision, typically within your state's resolution timelines. And if your school has been found in violation of your rights under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, it can be ordered to complete corrective action. If you are unsatisfied with the outcome of the due process, you may consider filing a court appeal. With so many options, it could be tough deciding what to do or which strategy to use. Consider a due process complaint when trying to resolve substantive issues such as evaluation of your child for further services, educational placements, or a failure on your school's part to provide FAPE. Remember, FAPE, a free and appropriate public education. Legal assistance attorneys are available at your local installation to help you. Consider a visit if you need assistance with individualized education programs, understanding parents' rights, or resolving disputes. Just scan the QR code on your screen to find your local legal assistance office and join me in the next video as we continue our dispute resolution and remedies series.